There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby, sing on back.
Hello viewers, it's me again. I'm roughly trying to figure out where the middle is in here. I'm sure there's some way to it's scientifically more accurate than this, but you know what? I'm making Freddy Kruger gloves. Glove. I keep saying gloves. Making a Freddy Kruger glove, so I want to line this up with the blade here. And I'm using my new can twist little sharky thing. And in order to sit it on here, like so, I just devised this little system here where I can just figure out where it is. If it ain't perfect, it ain't perfect. So I'm just eyeballing it. Yep, eyeballs. Nope, that's not even closely. My God. I think I need better eyeballs in this. Just putting little dots on it. I don't even know if you can see that. See the little black dots on there? Just to line it up. So when I go to put it on, I'm just going to like line it up with the magic dots. And then spot weld it. Knowing me, I'm going to make this thing so damn crooked. It's going to be funny. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'm, for the next couple of minutes, I'm going to stop this. I'm going to grind out the rest of these. And then tomorrow or later this week, I'm going to do a quick weld on them. And hopefully I'm done. Hopefully I'm done. Hopefully I'm done. So thanks for watching and enjoy. Well folks, I was making some Kruger claws. I've been doing some grinding. So far I got, I think, one done. This one's about 3/4 done, and this one's still being, see, this is like, this is the first one. That's another one I've been grinding. And 2 other ones I've been working on. So, a little Kruger update. Kruger claws are coming out pretty good. So anyway, that's all I did in one of the videos. I haven't done anything else. Next, what I'm doing with the Kruger claws is once I'm done grinding this, probably tomorrow night, I'm going to do spot welding. I'm going to do some little, spot welding. I'll be spot welding, drilling the holes in the fingers, down the middle, and pretty much, what do you call it, tack welding these on, and I'm done. And then I'm going to put it on a glove. I'm not attaching it to a glove because I want to just put a random glove in there. Because I can't find a right-hand glove that's missing the left-hand side. And all these gloves I have are worth like $30, so I'm not butchering a $30 pair of gloves just for one Kruger build. So, yeah. Or I'll just take a cheap pair of work gloves. That'd be cool. Anyway, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. Hello, YouTube. It's me again. Yeah, I was just, I skipped all the filing and just went straight to the end of the thing. I made the last, getting close to the end of Freddy Krugerville. I did the last 4, well, actually only 4 of the Kruger. Oh, there's a nice burr on there. Freddy Kruger. Can't even talk tonight. Freddy Kruger knives. Of course, I missed a little spot there. Try to deburr it so I don't get a freaking crazy ass splinter, but apparently I missed a few spots. I said I wasn't going to put this part on camera, but oh well. So anyway, I made 4 of them. I don't know if you can see them on here, but 1, 2. They're almost identical. I mean, they're not perfect. If I had a, what do you call it, plasma cutter, I could probably precision cut some of these, but I ground them all down. Drew a little line around them, and I probably should, what do you call it? I was gonna, what do you call it, clamp them all together and do it like that, but I was like, you know what? It's Freddy Kruger. I'm pretty sure in the Freddy Kruger movie, when the dude in the fantasy story made the claws, he wasn't a master machinist and made perfect little claws. He just made them like, you know, enough to fantasy kill people, not just. So anyway, the claws are on my desk here. Tomorrow I'm doing welding. I gotta weld some of the little bottom parts, and I gotta weld this on there, like those on there, like that. So I'm gonna drill a hole in the ends of it and weld it together. Last piece should be tomorrow. Put it back together, make one last video, and I'm done. Then I can go on and make another shit. So that's it. That's all for tonight.